You thought the scariest part would be the surgery itself. But for most bariatric women, the real fear comes after. What if I regain the weight? What if this doesn't work? Today, I'm diving into why most women fear the life after part of bariatric surgery, why maintenance feels so scary, and how you can face it head on with confidence. Hey friends, it's Chelsea, your BariTale coaching guide in the world pre and post-op weight loss surgery. I'd like to address the elephant in the room. I, Chelsea, am an outfit repeater. I believe I did a video on this topic in this sweater, but that's okay because we wear what we love and we talk about what scares us. I'm here to blend bariatric surgery education with a bit of Disney magic and sparkle because I want you to live your happily ever after life post-op. If you're new here, join this growing community. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like if this content speaks to you. This video is the first of many bonus drops to come for our last months of the year, where you're going to get extra wonderful weekly content on bariatric surgery mindset tips, inspiration, and more, including Disney content. So if I've just described you, if you're feeling that fear or you're worried about that fear, you're not alone. Most women feel anxious about weight regain after weight loss surgery because you are stepping into the unknown. The rules change, the scale doesn't always move, and that may lead you to wonder, can I really do this long term? I mentioned this in another video, but I think it's worth saying again that there are three main reasons for weight regain after weight loss surgery. One is the old naggy habits start creeping back in. Stress, anxiety, emotional eating, life changes. These things, these triggers, they don't go away. These are bound to happen. But the good news is that there are ways to stop these old habits from creeping back in or stop them in their tracks once they've already done so. Number two is that the weight loss stall, the plateau, is a fear trigger. Stalls are normal. Stalls are normal. Stalls are normal, but they can feel like failure. If right now you are undergoing or experiencing a weight loss stall, you're approaching that time, or you've been in a plateau for a while now, I have a Bari Magic Reset Guide that focuses on practical, tactical tips and strategies that you can do kind of one a day, or you can lump them together if you are a more ambitious personality. It's totally free. I will leave that linked in the description box below. Reason number three is about the perfectionism and the identity shift. I did a video a while ago on the all or nothing mindset. I think the all or nothing and perfectionism go hand in hand. A perfectionist wonders, if I slip, does that mean I've failed? Of course that means I've failed. This is done. This is over. What's next for me to try? Rather than I slipped, how do I regain my balance and get back on track? I'm sorry if you feel called out by that. I say it with love because I used to be her. This fear does not mean you're doomed. It means that you care, and because you care, you can fix it. For my Disney-loving mamas, go with me for a moment. I want you to think of this like Cinderella at midnight. The limiting mindset, the limiting belief that the magic will run out, that this will stop working for you. But here's the truth. Your transformation isn't built on one magical moment. It's built on daily choices and the mindset shifts that you have to intentionally make. The magic isn't gone at midnight. And do you know why? It's because the magic is you. You are in control. Question: if you could wave a magic wand and remove from your life one stress, one anxiety related to weight loss surgery, what would be the thing you'd remove? Please tell me in the comments. I want to offer you 3 practical strategies that you can start right now. And psst, these are a preview of what's in the freebie, okay? The Bari Magic Reset Guide. Number 1, you are going to reset with protein and hydration. Back to basics. Stalls do not equal failure. they equal recalibration. So that's exactly what you're going to do with your protein and your water. Number 2, I really need you to celebrate your non-scale victories. Your progress, your ability to move forward cannot solely be tied to the number on the scale. I want you to actually take out your notes app. Sorry, my phone is over here. Or a journal. Oh my gosh, I just got the most beautiful journal ever. You'll have to follow along on TikTok to see it. I need you to write them down every day. What's a non-scale victory? Was it easier to get yourself buckled in the car? Or if you ride public transportation, you fit better in the seats? Are you healthier than you are normally at this very allergy-based time of year because your body is running more smoothly? Do you have more energy to do what you want to do with your family, your kids, after work, or even at work? Do you have more hair, aka has your hair regrown since the first months after surgery? What are your non-scale victories? One of mine is that I've gone down a ring size over the summer. That does mean I get to take a trip to the jewelers. And number 3 is a mindset reset. Now, the Bari Magic freebie guide is going to take you through this process, but surface level here, you need a response. When your inner critic says, you'll regain, I told you so, you're on the verge of regaining, we knew this would happen, how are you responding to her? How are you responding to her? We talk so much about the mean girl voice in my free masterclass, which is available right now, but I will have 6 spots opening up for my digital course coming up in October. So I will leave the wait list for that linked down below too. We talk a lot about her. You need a response. You can't just let her go on saying what she's saying all the time. You would never allow someone to say the mean things to you that she says in your mind to your face so often or at all. So what's your response to her? Is it gentle? Thank you so much for aligning and showing me where I'm scared. I've got this. Is it a gentle, or is it like, girl, what do you know? Let me show you my receipts. Let me show you my evidence. Is it with attitude? Sometimes you have to fight fire. If the fear of a stall or weight regain has you feeling stuck or frustrated, please download the Bari Magic Reset Guide. Even if you are pre-op and you know this is something you're going to worry about later, download this. It's entirely free. It gets you on my email list, so you'll get my weekly love letters, which always start with some kind of ridiculous story about my life during the past week. But this guide was built to help you. Inside, you're going to find simple and realistic steps to help reset your mind and body. I want you to feel confident. I want you to feel like the queen you are. Grab it, use the link in the description box. It's totally free. And again, if you are craving deeper support than just a PDF guide, it's a good one. But if you're looking for more support, I will have 6 spots opening up for Mindset Mastery, my digital course, in October. So be subscribed, stay tuned, get on the email list, because that way you'll know when those spots open first. The goal of this is to help you build momentum right before the holidays. One of the hardest parts of year for those of us in the weight loss surgery community. Remember, weight regain isn't inevitable. Fear is normal, but it doesn't need to control your journey. You are capable, worthy, and deserving of your own fairy tale ending. Until Sunday, I hope you keep chasing that fairy tale ending. Goodbye, friend.